Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm working on day number 29 of Chrissy's Beautiful Life 30 days of sketches, and wow, one more day to go. I have loved this process. So day 29 is a sketch from Adam Westwood, which is also known as Scrappy Adam. And the Dotty About Flair prompt is 3 or more shapes. As you can see, they have a lot of stars there, so shapes is not really a problem. They intersperse a circle and a square there with some splattering. I love using this kind of a layout for my scrapbooking anyways. It's more referred to as a half and half, which is this is one half, this is one half, or you could call it a grid because it is a linear design with the photos placed specifically into a grid. So I also made this at a scrapbooking crop that I was at, and this is the last one that I did. Okay, so this was part of the sticker sheet, and I used up a lot of the stickers on this page, and I also made some more of these banner pieces to continue on because it was only this in the sticker sheet. So these are made by me with the white or the black stitching to make them look like they go together. And having the colors, the cardstock colors, match the colors in the sticker sheet is what Close to My Heart is so good at. That's why I love their products. Everything matches. I don't have to worry about finding the right orange or finding the right yellow. So, you know, if you struggle with matching things up, try to go to Close to My Heart. They are a wonderful company. Everything coordinates. But anyways, the background is a Distress Oxide background, and I'll show you some still shots of how I made that. And the colors, the yellow, the blue, the green, and the red, orange type colors, I then used mats to coordinate on my with my photos. And I love how that looks. They blend in, but you can still see that they're there, and they help to bring those photos to the forefront. Now this stripe here, a little story about that. I put it on the yellow to do my half and half with the division according to the sketch. And I didn't like just the yellow. It didn't really show. So I put the pink on there, and whoa, that really brought it up to life. But the yellow was still fading behind. So then I put it on the black, and I thought, oh, that looks really nice. I did make it a very thin line of the black because it is so prominent. Now, in my area, we have a bakery that makes these cookies, and they're called pink stripe cookies, and that's all I was thinking when I was making this. It was so funny. They're delicious, by the way. But anyways, this piece here is from the Cake Day card making kit. It was a leftover piece from the card kit, and I thought I'd throw it on here as the main design in the middle, even though I need to restamp this part right here with the dots, and I could easily do that. It is up on foam. I'll have to be careful, but I can do it. This little cupcake was a Cricut cut, and I put the glitter paper behind it, and then just the lemonade behind the base where the paper is. So I love doing that with little cut files like that. Now, this little one here made this little bee and colored it, so that's why I like to add those kinds of pieces onto my pages, because the kids will go through and they'll say, oh my gosh, I did that, I colored that, I made that, and it's just wonderful to see that they realize that. So it's kind of like a hidden gem. They'll go through and say, what did Grandma use on her page that I made? And not only looking at the photos and the layouts, they will really look for the embellishments. These are sticker pieces from the sticker sheet. This is an image from a stamp set in the Cake Day collection, and I need to put some of the liquid glass on there as well, as along with this, and this were from the Smitten collection, as well as the bee, and she made those, so I thought I'd add them. The candles are from the sticker sheet from Cake Day. So I really used a lot of fun things on this layout, and I love how it looks. It really brings together that birthday party fun theme to life. So I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, one other thing. I did put a black background or a black journaling line around this layout, and I really love how it keeps everything inside. If you find you're just needing something else on your layouts, try to put a journal line around your layouts to make them look, keep your eye contained within the layout. It sometimes will help, sometimes not. It's one of the things that I really like to do. And another thing I did was the baker's twine again. I made it to put the banner pieces on, so it really works well. Now, please check out everybody else in the video description that's doing this sketch, and there's only one more day, remember. Please like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. Share it, and stay tuned for close-ups at the end. Thank you for joining me again. Have a great day.